Okay, this chicken tortilla soup in the Instapot is delicious. I love making this one when the weather turns cool. It's fairly simple. I mean, there are a good amount of ingredients, but the flavor is really good on this one. So what you need is some chicken breast or some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now, these ones are bone-in thighs. I like to just buy this and take the skin off. It saves some money. And then I have some Valentina hot sauce, some cumin, some sour cream we're gonna add at the end, a little bit of cilantro, some avocado for topping. I have some fresh garlic. You can use some minced if you want. I have some lime, 2 jalapenos, an onion, some salsa verde, some onion powder, a can of diced tomatoes. I'm gonna use the Rotel today. It has the diced tomatoes and the green chilies, some frozen corn, and some chicken broth. And yeah, we're gonna get into this right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up everything. I have my 2 jalapenos, my onion, my 3 cloves of garlic, lime, and my cilantro. I left some of the seeds and veining in the first one and I took it out in the second one. Don't want it too spicy. I have little kids, so you guys can custom tailor to whatever spice level you like. If you like more spice, then you can leave everything in. And if you don't like too much spice, take the seeds and the veining out, and that will definitely help you with the spice. Okay, now we're gonna add our oil, just a few tablespoons. I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever you have. We're gonna hit saute mode and we're gonna put it on high. We're gonna give it about 3 minutes for this to heat up. Then we're gonna add our onions and jalapenos in here to saute. Okay, it's already preheated, so let's go ahead and saute our onions and our jalapenos. We're gonna saute these for a few minutes, and then we're gonna add our garlic at the end. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. That's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and add 5 cups of chicken broth. This is what I'm using. Add your can of diced tomatoes. You can use regular or Rotel, doesn't matter. Okay, the juice of 1 lime. Two tablespoons of hot sauce. I'm using Valentina. You can use whichever one you want. 2 tablespoons of salsa verde. I'm gonna add in some of that fresh cilantro, about half. 1 tablespoon of cumin. Half a tablespoon of onion powder. I added about half a bag of frozen corn. Okay, I just decided I'm gonna add a can of black beans. Okay, I'm gonna give this a stir. This smells amazing. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken in here. Okay, we're gonna secure the lid. Make sure your lid is in the sealing position. And then we're going to pressure cook on high for 14 minutes. We're gonna come back when it's done and shred the chicken. Okay, I've done a quick release and now I'm going to take the chicken out. Okay, I'm all done shredding this up. I'm gonna put it back into the Instapot. The last step, we're gonna let this cool for a few minutes and then we're going to add our sour cream at the end. All right, so the last thing we're gonna add is half a cup of sour cream in here. That's it, let's plate it up. You can add whatever toppings you like. I'm gonna add Mexican blend cheese, some tortilla strips, avocado. I love cilantro, so I'm gonna add this. And that's it, guys. This is amazing. I mean, it has so much flavor with the cumin and the cilantro. If you don't want it too spicy, then just leave out some of the jalapeno and the veining. And if you do like a little spicy, leave it in. But yeah, guys, this is amazing. I hope you guys give this a try.